Make a great choice today with the 2013 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, FWD. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.